Hi children, good morning. This is your social science class. What we saw in the last class? Yes, we saw about advertising, isn't it? We saw that advertisement plays a crucial role nowadays, isn't it? Then we saw the reasons for advertising. What are the reasons? Yes, to launch a new product, to boost the sale, and then to communicate with the customers, and then to identify a unique selling proportion, that is USP. Isn't it? And then we saw types of advertising. Two types of advertising. What are they? Yes, commercial advertising and social advertising. And then advertisers use various medias, isn't it? What are they? Yes, brochures, journals, newspaper, television, radio, flyers, hoardings, internet. Isn't it? These things we saw. We saw about brand values and social values too. So, advertisements have become an essential part of our life, isn't it? Then, finally, what we saw? Yes, we saw that we need to critically analyze before bring any products, isn't it? Then, today, we move to lesson number 6 in geography. The topic of the lesson is weather and climate. Okay. So, what is weather? Weather can change within a few minutes or hours. That is weather. The state of atmosphere at a specific time at any one particular place is called weather. Then climate. So, climate takes very long time to change, isn't it? Then see in page number 145, children, the definition is that climate is explained as the average weather condition over a long period of time. Now we can see the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a specific place at a given point in time. These atmospheric conditions may take place day by day, minute by minute. Okay, immediately. That is weather. Then climate. Climate is the average weather condition over place, and it mostly take place after 30 years of time. What they have given in our book, the same thing. Then weather may involve just one condition of the atmosphere. At the same time, climate includes all the conditions of the atmosphere, such temperature, okay, like wind, humidity, cloud, and pressure. Okay, weather occurs in a place within a short period. Already we read, no. Climate take place over long period of time. Then weather is what you get on a daily basis. Climate is what you expect over a long time. Weather changes within a short time. The overall changes and variation of a climate are very stable and may take decades. Decades means 10 years or centuries. Centuries means we know 100 years to occur. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and meteorologists study about weather. Okay. The scientific study of climate is called climatology. A climatologist studies about which one? About climate. Let us step to the next topic, temperature of the atmosphere. We knew about the temperature. If the temperature is hot, how we feel? We feel too hot. If it is cool, we also feel cool, isn't it? So temperature is the degree of hotness and coolness of the air. Okay, dears. So daily just to watch about the temperature in news. Summer is hotter than winter. We know that when at summertime we feel too hot. At winter time we feel too cool, isn't it? Next, we see about solar radiation, which is known as insolation too. Okay, solar radiation is the heat which we receive on the earth's surface. Solar radiation means what, children? It is nothing but the heat which we receive on the earth's surface. Okay, it is also termed as what? Yes, it is also termed as insolation. The another name for solar radiation is nothing but insolation. Next, we will see about the three heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone.
There are three heat zones of the earth: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. First, let us understand about torrid zone. This red portion in the globe is torrid zone. What is torrid zone? The torrid zone refers to the area of the earth between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Geographically, the torrid zone is defined by 23.5 degrees north latitude and 23.5 degrees south latitude. The torrid zone refers to the area of the earth near the equator. As its name suggests, the torrid zone is generally warm. It has a wet and dry season, but does not experience the four seasons familiar to residents of the temperate zones further from the equator. In torrid zone, the sun is exactly over the head at once in a year. Receives maximum heat. There are so many countries located in the torrid zone. These are the few countries which are located in the torrid zone. Next is temperate zone. What is temperate zone? The part of the Earth's surface lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. In temperate zone, sun's rays goes on decreasing. It has moderate climate. There are some countries which are located in the temperate zone. These are some of the countries which are located in the temperate zone. Next is frigid zone. Now what is frigid zone? The area or the region between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is known as frigid zone. In frigid zone, sun rays are always slanting. It provides less heat. It is very cold region. There are countries which are located in the frigid zone. I hope you got all the information you are required for the topic. Thank you.
That's all for today's class, children. What we saw today? Yes, we have seen about weather and climate. We have saw the definition about weather and climate. We saw the difference between weather and climate. Then we saw about temperature of the atmosphere. Then solar radiation we saw. What is solar radiation? Yes, the heat which we receive on the earth's surface is solar radiation. It is also termed as what? Termed as insolation. Then we saw about the three heat zones. What are they? Yes, torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay, take page number 145. Just read the page fully, children. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Be safe at home.